Stone Age reflexes, still running your life in 2025. Number 12, why we love warm golden light. That cozy amber glow from a campfire or your $200 designer lamp, turns out it's wired into us. For tens of thousands of years, our ancestors sat around fires at night, the safest place to be when predators were prowling. That warm hue signaled security, food, and community. A 2014 study in Proceedings of the Royal Society B found that humans universally associate warm light with relaxation and reduced stress. Fast forward to today, and it's why warm white bulbs outsell cold bluish ones in the home decor stores. We're basically moss with mortgages. Number 11, the feeling someone's watching you. Walking alone in a bright parking garage, you suddenly get that creepy someone's behind me feeling. Evolution made that paranoia a survival tool, spotting predators or hostile humans before they got close. Research from the University of London shows humans can detect a gaze from up to 150 feet away, even in their peripheral vision. Nowadays, that gut instinct is more likely triggered by a security camera than a saber-toothed cat, but your brain still sounds the alarm. Better safe than stock.
Don't go. Best part's coming. Number 10, hoarding for a rainy day forever. Your garage full of unused exercise bikes and 1990s holiday decorations? Blame survival instincts. In times of famine, hoarding food or tools meant your family lived to see another season. A 2015 Princeton study on scarcity mindset shows that perceived lack, real or imagined, makes people cling to resources far beyond their usefulness. In the modern age, it just makes us pay for bigger storage units. Your ancestors stored grain, you store broken toasters. Number 9, holding on to the bad longer than the good. Ever replay an embarrassing moment from middle school in your head at 3 a.m.? That's called negativity bias, and it's why bad memories stick like duct tape. From an evolutionary standpoint, remembering danger, like which berries made you sick, kept you alive. Research from the University of California, Berkeley confirms negative experiences trigger stronger and longer-lasting neural activity. In 2025, it mostly means more overthinking and expensive therapy sessions. Still with me? Let's keep going. Number 8, sticking to the same route every day. That Starbucks stop you have to make on your commute, it's an echo of a prehistoric GPS. Avoiding new paths kept early humans from wandering into rival tribes' territory or predator zones. A 2018 Harvard study on spatial conservatism found most people prefer familiar routes even if alternatives are faster. Back then, it kept you alive. Now it just keeps you stuck in traffic. Hold on.
Number 7, death grip when startled. You get surprised and suddenly your hand clamps like a vice. That reflex evolved to keep you from dropping weapons, tools, or the branch you were hanging from. A 2012 University of Birmingham study on startle responses found humans can double their grip force in under 0.1 seconds when frightened. Today, it's just as likely to result in you flinging your latte into your laptop.
Hold on to your seat, it's about to get fun. Number 6, tensing up under a stair. Ever feel awkward in an elevator because someone's looking right at you? Your muscles subtly tighten. That's an ancient defense response to being targeted by a predator or rival. According to a 2010 study in Biology Letters, being stared at increases our physiological arousal and readiness for action. In the Stone Age, it was fight or flight. In the elevator, it's fight or pretend you're reading texts. Number 5, the itch to swap moving things. See something dart past your vision and feel the urge to smack it? That's your inner hunter at work. Quick object detection once meant the difference between catching dinner or being dinner. A 2016 MIT study found our brains can identify moving objects in as little as 13 milliseconds. Now it mostly means you're the household's designated mosquito assassin. Now this one's truly primal. Number 4, love for fatty foods. Your weakness for triple cheeseburgers is written in your DNA. Fat was a dense energy source in prehistoric diets, vital during long winters or famine. A 2007 study in Nature Neuroscience showed that fat triggers pleasure pathways in the brain, reinforcing the craving. Today, it's less about survival and more about surviving your annual cholesterol test. Number 3, hair standing on end when scared. That weird prickly feeling? It's called piloerection. It made our ancestors look bigger and scarier to predators. Same trick cats use when puffing up. A 2015 University of Sheffield study found the reflex is hardwired, even though humans lost most of their body hair ages ago. Now it's just a goosebump party no one asked for.
Number 2, the call of flowing water.
Ever notice how you'll pay more for a hotel room with a fountain or stream outside your window? That craving is ancient. For early humans, running water meant life, drinking, fishing, and fertile ground for plants and game. A 2010 study in evolutionary psychology found people consistently rate landscapes with flowing water as more attractive and calming. The sound also reduces cortisol levels according to research from Brighton and Sussex Medical School in 2017. Back then, the sound told you, here's home base. Today, it just says, welcome to your $400 a night relaxation package.
Number 1. Fear of heights. Even with glass railings and OSHA regulations, your knees still wobble on a balcony. A 1960s visual cliff experiment proved that both human infants and baby animals instinctively avoid steep drops. This fear once stopped your ancestors from falling off cliffs while foraging. Now it just stops you from taking epic rooftop selfies. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. This instinct helps us survive on YouTube.